Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Admission open for playgroup, pre-nursery and nursery. Angels Play School, Upper Lachimia, Shillong. Contact 98635-67162 or 600-9322-457.
Lai phongut ki samla bakin thop pikishin rang bat kin thei kelio apdiang ki sernot haga passing out parade janga batch ke bakhat ar ke blane sapusan singi hadi miklala ban pindap ya jing shahi ke pintibet haga tornado security agency haga ni passing out parade ke blalong haga shphotre ulber ar tar phosan haga jaga ajingi ke pintibet ke bren halum honsen mawyong rim shillong lasa khilang du officer in charge jong Myam police station uba KS Luwan ringkar kejinalang jong ba Arnold Lanong bdu director jong tornado security agency u assistant director ba Zaik Lanong bagi kemi kepa jigi samla pelpendap jigi shahi kai penteben
preventing and reducing crimes against my employers and other organizations and institutions to which I am assigned to respect and protect the confidential and privileged information of my employer where their interests are contrary to the law or to this code of ethics.
The passing out of this 12th batch, I would like to congratulate you all, and I would like to congratulate the faculty members who take the responsibilities and dedications, loyalty and sincerity in conducting the training for the 12th batch. I congratulate the Tornado Commander and the instructors, both the past and the present, who have built a strong framework in providing a quality training. First, I'm thinking, what do I have to share with you? what I find out in my day-to-day life, in my long-term service of 17 years in service, I'll tell you, the security agencies plays a very important and pivotal roles in our society now. It's not like the previous time, those 70s, 80s. This is a very different period now. It's a very challenging also. So, and moreover, the security agencies and its officers and members, I'll tell you, from time to time, it's a very challenging work for them also, because there are instances where they are abused on the job, they have been insulted. So we cannot claim that the society is very generous and kind to us. So what do you have to have? You have to have like a very patient, and you have to have a very disciplined. You have to be very disciplined, patient in your character. No matter what people say, talk, insulted. That's why I've seen like the government. It's time for the government also to take some initiative. To consider and recommending the requiring of the security guards anywhere to wear like a body cam. The body cam now in the police department, we have been using body cam for any of our day-to-day life, in any of our investigation purposes, whether we go for a raid, whether we go for inspections, whether we go for any investigation purposes. Now our body cam we used to wear towards the left side of our chest every time. Now I think you might see some of the policemen now, they are wearing all those body cam. This is needed because why we need witnesses for any purposes to avoid allegations. Most of the time it's allegations. So even in your job, in your work, you will face such kind of challenge where you'll be insulted, you'll be assaulted, but there won't be any witnesses even when you make a complaint to any other higher authorities. The work where you're working, it should always be near the CCTV, because I've seen so many security guards, at times they've been insulted, they have been harassed, they have been abused. So this will be a deterrent, so people won't be able to just push things around and insulted you. So those were the things which I want to say, because the private security agencies is based on the Regulation Act of 2005. And in this, I've seen that the governor has made certain rules and regulations also. I think from the rules and regulations, it goes right from the definitions of the agencies, of any of those agencies, and then the verifications of the character antecedents, and then for any of the applicants. Why do we need to verify your character antecedents? Because in any security agencies, sometimes the security agencies also, they play very, very important roles, like in keeping some secret, some very confidential, maybe papers, maybe sometimes they are licensed arms also. So we need to verify properly about the character antecedents of the person. If we have any of those, any cases involved in any other criminal cases, we don't want those kind of members of personnel in any of the agencies, even in our police also. We need good men, disciplined people, loyal people, honest in their work and job. The best thing is that inform the matters to your seniors. They will take up the matters. If it's serious, you will go. The police will take up the matters. Justice will be served. Justice will be served. You need not take the law in your own hand. That's why I'm telling you. You need to have a discipline. Need to have patience and discipline in your work. Discipline will take you a long way. When you are disciplined with yourself, you'll go a long way in your life.
kasi kalong ba nilapay ba 12 batch man ta. Nilapay ko 12 batch man ta nalagong fee 70% ni nila ay kama jam gi kena samla na bupas na ni na po agency jongi ba contain jarang. Mata nakalyang jong office jong katonodo security sukwa ban betip gi kemay pa ni inventory ba ngim strict tang ya ka security agency baka kalat kalawan ya ka office jongi nakalyang ka government ngiyo ban ay ka post driver kibanang nya kali ilapha ban nya kali nakadon ka offer na po hospital begin ng ward girl ward boy gitaru ni khadi gi kena ni ong kren ni ki kemi gi pa bakin leipan ya ka hukum kisah nam sha batri ki pun kita ki kam hospital bodi matang ila ki kena gila trai apa Nasaret hospital mata trai good new match ki nyo sa Robert hospital de neliam ki kemi pa ne ni di kena jonga de pimde ban community tang kam security de pinyo gila leti ben long ki driver long ward gel pinyo kin kanton ke training kanai hi training ke hospital bila dia training apa kasan singi kin place pi tang pin hub apa ka jingpe jong ka tornado security agency akam kan de ke busuk kumbong ne officer mane kam hi de belong ku tang disiplin hangai ke disiplin bat karakter tapi doni ke disiplin bat karakter nai pinpoint nani sani pinpoint bisa kam de ka konsantan disiplin dan karakter kebalai me kebalong important haji ngim jobre tapi doni kata ni untuk melakukan kang lat len TV hoi ni om ni kena da piyo e kam bahe tulok naklian jonga ngam don problem ngam la ban bat TV ngam sotunat piyo kam sarkar man nakwen ma piyo bakam tulok bakam he nak agency jonga ai por office amsar ali kam sota te ai por ngakatan singi ko por ke de katan singi ni ai por kena ke ba organ ke busuk tuan pat ke ba sosi ba ke shu mi le kami kram pat ke office kram pat ke kata jing request jonga ba pendrai ke message nani ba ngiru ni kwa ban tip boleh kena agency jonga ngau kena la da resign la du ke kam sosi la kam don jing tip jonga atrai ke de jing juna jonga nak ke ba ngamla ban penbiang la da wan hangai kren na so tho la don ke kam la yo suwe na don problem so to na de mi da banton jitit nga sosi ba nga si ong i office no i supervisor nga si ong boleh kuna resign boleh kuna ka kam kaliu boleh kudunang bisa ka kam hoi hang kam security ngani tuang epi don ki jaka ne pinjai to ba pindang kam bale don pat ki jaka tang ban bam jarum ya tang ban ni jarum ya kata kare go bai dan ngale jonga ngata yang request epi ini ke 12 batch la chua la phone na po la phone sa re pinane bang college po office pi hablom 100% pitray nam tray ikren hiyeng asem san ong hiyeng may pa ngayo ata katulop kata kanta de menti hiyeng asem ngim po se pi no no ikna po la pi bat la de pi man bila ban tray la pi man ngim la tanggal kamram jongi ngaku mutrai kum director jongani ka agency nga kwa banai ka macam
ke poket uang ya kini ki baknya hani nama ba ni kum kini ki pa ka no ni so tenan ya baki kun kenduk kam ya baki kun ken sang aura ken sang sini setai em kat kini ke jing jenja ka perthai kat kini ke jing ngop jong ka perthai de kini ke de kalat ka buk sel ka ba ki kun ki lat na ka thala thaleng ki lat na ka jot ka pai de ông bông tay như ngài chụp lấy công nghệ ba rồi ba lạ bắn lệ cái này cầm tập lấy chụp